Batteries are placed and being recharged. All power sockets will be activated. The temperature inside cabinet is able to be set up and connect to buzzer alarm. Door motion lighting control. The illumination is averagely diverted inside the cabinet. Intelligent alarm system, temperature and humidity alarm, smoke alarm. All shelves are able to adjust freely and capable of heavy load. The bottom is equipped with a leak-proof PP tray. Use fireproof tempered glass. The cable running is safe and separated. This product is used for storage and battery recharging of driller and other small-sized electric power tools. Battery recharging cabinet can reduce the probability of secondary accidents caused by spontaneous combustion of the battery and protect the safety of surrounding objects and personal safety.